Translating this sentence into an equation. All right, 59. So this is, look how I do it, just very step by step. I won't even necessarily read the whole thing first. 59 is always an equal sign. 59 is the difference. Difference is subtraction. The difference of Matt's height and 12, meaning we're subtracting 12 from M. Whatever value is given first, which is in this case Matt's height, we put that value first, and then 12 is second. And that's all we got. So 59 equals M minus 12. The product of 8 and Vidya's height is, so look here, this is where the equal sign is going to come. So first, what is product? Product is multiplication. Product of 8, so we got multiplication. Product of 8 and Vidya's height is equals 144. Just placing it down just like that. And there's our equation. 8 times V is 144. Sum is addition. So we know we've got the sum of 12 and Janelle's savings is, which is equal 67. Now they're not asking us to calculate J, but we very easily could once we have this equation set up.